me! Don't stop running!
Lily, please get up right now!
Stay calm. Follow me closely. Welcome to beautiful South Korea, everyone.
Dad, this city looks really amazing.
Today will be a wonderful adventure.
Mom, everything looks so colorful today. Can we visit that tall tower later?
Of course. It looks beautiful from here.
Let's explore the palace before lunchtime.
Dad, why are those birds leaving?
That's strange. They look very frightened.
Look, something bright is falling.
Maybe it's only a shooting star.
It landed somewhere near the tower.
Mom, why do I feel so nervous?
Why is the sky turning orange?
Something feels very strange today.
Dad, look at that strange orange dust. That man doesn't look very well.
Maybe he needs some help.
Everyone, stay back for a moment.
Dad, I think he is moving. Dad, his eyes look completely different.
Mark, something is terribly wrong.
Everyone, slowly move away now.
Mom, why is he chasing people? Dad, more people are getting sick.
This dust is causing something terrible.
Everyone, we must leave immediately!
Follow me! Don't stop running! Stay calm. Follow me closely.
We made it outside the palace!
Dad, this is only the beginning.
Mark, where should we go now?
We need a safe place quickly.
Dad, everyone is running away. Mom, what does that message mean?
It means we must leave now.
Let's go through Myeongdong Street. Don't stay here! Keep moving!
Dad, the orange dust is everywhere.
Don't breathe too much. Stay close. Move south! Stay away from the palace!
Mom, why is it suddenly so quiet?
I don't like this silence.
They're coming again!
Quick! We can hide inside that store! Everyone, get inside!
Quickly, get away from the glass! You are safe here for now. Thank you for helping us.
Our city looks completely different. Mom, will everything be okay?
Yes, we will stay together.
We need another safe place, soon.
The orange dust changes every living person.
Can we stop this strange orange dust?
Yes, but only one thing can. Find the oldest bell in Seoul.
Why is that old bell so important?
Because it can save our city.
Let's find the bell and save everyone. Stay quiet and follow me closely.
Dad, there are zombies near the street.
Then we must take another way. Turn left now! We go another way!
Come on, children. Stay with us.
Are we going to the bell now?
Yes, but we need a safe road.
The river looks calm. But I'm scared.
Just a little farther, my dear.
I can keep walking, Mom. Dad, Gyeongno is this way.
Then we go to Gyeongno together.
Dad, I think that's the bell tower. This place feels very quiet.
I've been waiting for brave travelers.
Why is this place still safe?
The bell protects this sacred ground. This bell has protected Seoul for centuries.
Can this bell really save everyone?
Only if brave hearts ring it together.
We don't have much time left! Then ring the bell together! Pull together on 3!
Listen, the whole city can hear it.
The orange dust is disappearing!
Look, I think they are coming back.
Everyone is becoming normal again.
The city is safe once again.
We really saved everyone!
Seoul will remember your courage.
We help together.
Everything looks peaceful again.
Dad, this place is so lively now.
It feels completely different today.
This food smells really delicious.
The view is absolutely beautiful today.